Okay, so let's take a look at the next question. It says, in a market economy, economic activity is guided by which of the following? Or I guess it's not multiple choice, so it's guided by what? And so a couple things going on here. Again, this is first of all, again, not a calculation-based question. It is a conceptual question. And so to say, uh, uh, so we would just have to kind of be familiar with these terms in order to answer this question. The term market economy refers to one of several different types of economy, for example, command economy or mixed economy. And so the question is asking us what differentiates or defines a market economy. And so if we remember from our textbooks or class concepts, a market economy is guided by two things: free market forces like supply and demand, and self-interest. And so there's an assumption of the invisible hand that everybody acts in their own self-interest, and the interaction of free market forces and self-interest are what drives the market economy. And so there's not going to be any guiding by government because this is not a command economy. It's not a mixed economy. There's no role for governments to play in this kind of dynamic for the market economy. So taking a look at the answer choices, we see that they also got it right. Talk about free market forces and self-interest. And they further go on to explain that in a market economy, decisions regarding any economic activity are guided by price signals and free market forces. In this kind of system, the presence of factor markets is significant and valuable. State activity is restricted or minimum, and resources are privately owned. All economic decisions in a market economy are driven by the aggregate associations of the individual citizens and businesses. The system is the opposite of a centrally planned economy that comprises the significance of government decisions and allocation of resources, right? And so, again, drawing that line between what is the market economy and what are other forms of economies that are not the market economy. And so, we're going to be pretty clear on that, and this is a pretty clear answer choice here.